The importance of carbide. Burrs for welders in material removal. For welders, achieving a clean, precise, and professional finish on welded joints is critical to both functionality and aesthetics. Carbide burrs are indispensable tools in this process, offering unmatched efficiency and precision for material removal tasks. Whether you're smoothing out excess weld material, reshaping joints, or working in tight, hard-to-reach areas, carbide burrs are a game-changer. Here's a detailed breakdown of why carbide burrs are essential for welders and how they can elevate your work. Why carbide burrs are essential for material removal. Superior cutting efficiency. Carbide burrs are made from tungsten carbide, an incredibly hard and durable material that can cut through tough metals like steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and even cast iron with ease. Unlike traditional grinding wheels or files, carbide burrs remove material quickly and precisely, saving you time and effort. Their sharp, fluted cutting edges ensure clean cuts without excessive heat buildup, which can damage the workpiece or weaken the weld. Versatility for weld imperfections. Welders often deal with excess weld material, such as spatter, uneven beads, or overwelded joints. Carbide burrs excel at removing these imperfections, allowing you to smooth out surfaces or reshape joints to meet exact specifications. Whether you're preparing a weld for inspection, improving its appearance, or ensuring it fits within a larger assembly, carbide burrs provide the control needed to achieve a professional result. Access to hard-to-reach areas. One of the standout features of carbide burrs is their ability to work in confined or intricate spaces. Narrow connections, tight corners, or complex geometries, such as those found in pipe welding or structural fabrications, are no match for carbide burrs. Available in various shapes, cylindrical, ball, tree, flame, etc., and sizes, these tools can navigate areas where larger tools like angle grinders or sanding discs simply can't reach. Precision and control. Carbide burrs allow for precise material removal, which is critical when reshaping welded joints or cleaning up intricate welds. Their small size and compatibility with rotary tools, like die grinders or Dremels, give welders fine control, enabling them to remove just the right amount of material without compromising the integrity of the weld or surrounding metal. This precision is especially valuable for applications requiring tight tolerances, such as in aerospace, automotive, or pressure vessel fabrication. Durability and longevity. Tungsten carbide is significantly harder than high-speed steel, HSS, or other cutting materials, meaning carbide burrs last longer, even when used on tough metals. This durability reduces downtime for tool changes and lowers overall tool costs, making them a cost-effective choice for welders who frequently perform material removal tasks. Reduced fatigue and improved safety. Carbide burrs are lightweight and easy to handle, reducing operator fatigue during extended use. Their efficient cutting action also minimizes the need for excessive force, which can lead to strain or injury. Additionally, carbide burrs produce less vibration than larger grinding tools, improving comfort and control while reducing the risk of hand-arm vibration syndrome, HAVS. Wide range of applications. Beyond weld cleanup, carbide burrs are versatile enough for other tasks welders commonly encounter, such as deburring sharp edges, chamfering, or preparing surfaces for welding. They can also be used on a variety of materials, including non-ferrous metals, composites, and even some plastics, making them a must-have in any welder's toolkit. Best practices for using carbide burrs. To maximize the benefits of carbide burrs, welders should follow these tips. Choose the right shape and size. Select a burr shape, e.g., cylindrical for flat surfaces, ball for curved areas, or pointed tree for tight corners, based on the specific task and geometry of the workpiece. Use the correct speed. Operate your rotary tool at the manufacturer-recommended RPM to avoid overheating the burr or workpiece. Higher speeds are typically used for softer materials, while lower speeds work better for harder metals. Apply light pressure. Let the burr do the work. Excessive pressure can reduce tool life and lead to uneven results. Maintain your burrs. Clean carbide burrs regularly with a wire brush to remove metal buildup and extend their lifespan. Wear proper PPE. Always use safety glasses, gloves, and a dust mask to protect yourself from metal particles and debris. Why welders should act now. Carbide burrs are a critical tool for achieving high-quality welds, improving efficiency, and tackling challenging material removal tasks. Whether you're refining a weld for structural integrity, aesthetics, or fit-up, these tools deliver unmatched performance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your workflow with top-quality Carbide burrs. Visit our website today and take advantage of our exclusive offer. Get 10% off your entire purchase of Carbide burrs. Stock up now to ensure you have the right tools for every job and elevate your welding projects to the next level. This limited time discount won't last long, so act fast.